Evening to all, happy new year and hope you all fine. Unexpectedly again we meet in online classes. Okay dears, I hope you had completed your holidays homework. Okay, then tomorrow I will check your homework in live class, so get ready. Now take your science 1 book, take page number 155. Page number 155, the unit name is acids and base. Okay, in our daily life we are using lot of food substances, but don't know which one is acid and which one is base. Okay, are you like the lemon juice? Yes. What is the taste of lemon juice? That is sour taste. Okay, so sour is the acid. Okay, the acid is a sour taste. Just opposite, the bitter taste is base. Okay, in our daily life we come across the different food substances. Some substances like tamarind, grapes, curd and lemon are sour. Underline the word sour. They are said to be acidic. So what is the taste of acids? Yes, that is the sour taste. Underline the word sour taste. Okay, some substances like sodium bicarbonate and soap are bitter in taste. What is the taste of base? That is bitter taste. They are said to be a basic. This means that they contain either acid or base. So the acid have a sour taste, base is a bitter taste. But what are the acid and bases? Acid and bases are one of the important classification of chemical compounds. You know the lot of compounds for hydrochloric, then H2SO4, then water. These are all compound. Okay, the acid and base is classification of compound. Which compound is acid? Which compound is base? This is very important. Okay, which play the significant role in every field of science. Acids and bases find applications in the various products from a soap used for shower to the vinegar in the kitchen. நம்ம சோப்லேருந்து யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய கிச்சனில் யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய வினிகர்லேருந்து ஆசிடும் இருக்குது பேஸும் இருக்குது. So acid and bases are biologically, industrially and environmentally important compound. For example, among the medicines we use the aspirin. This is very important. Aspirin, it is a pain relieving ointment medicine. It is aspirin and is acidic and antacids are basic. Similarly, many biological molecules are also either acids or bases. Dietary fats are acids and the chemical compounds DNA are bases. Dietary fats, நம்முடைய ஹியூமன் பாடி இருக்கக்கூடிய ஃபேட்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து ஆசிட்ஸும், தென் டிஎன்ஏ இன்சைட் ஹேவிங் சம் நியூக்ளியஸ் தட் சம் திங்ஸ் ஹேவிங், தட் இஸ் அ பேஸ். ஓகே, இன் திஸ் லெசன் வி வில் ஸ்டடி அபவுட் த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் அண்ட் யூசஸ் ஆஃப் ஆசிட் அண்ட் பேசஸ், தென் வாட் இஸ் த நியூட்ரலைசேஷன் ஆஃப் ஆசிட் அண்ட் பேசஸ் அண்ட் ஆசிட் பேஸ் இண்டிகேட்டர்ஸ். Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn about what is acid and what is base, what are the properties, uses, everything. Okay, let's move the class. Next, acids. The term acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Underline the word acidus. Acidus means sour. Okay, what is the meaning of acidus? Sour. Sour taste. Okay, thus the chemical compounds which have the sour taste are generally called as acidus. Which compound is the sour taste? That is acidus. Acid. Okay, all acid contain one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms in their molecules, and when dissolved in water, any one substance dissolved in water, that substance release one hydrogen atom, that is acids. Okay, they release H plus ion. Underline the word H plus ion. For example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid release hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. There are three important acids, very important acids. You must know the chemical formula. Okay, hydrochloric acid means HCl, sulfuric acid means H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3. So this is very important, the basic acids. Okay, up to 12th standard you have to study the chemical formula. So now itself you mug up. Okay, nitric acid means HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, that like. Okay, these acids dissolved in water, they release the H plus ions. Okay, hydrochloric acid, then dissolved in water, it releases the hydrogen ion plus chloride ion. Okay, the next sulfuric acid, the formula H2SO4, dissolved in water, hydrogen ion plus sulfate ion is releasing. Okay, this is the acid. The main thing, the acid is sour taste. The acid release the hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. It is very important. Okay, next, do you know Swedish chemist Svante Arrhenius proposed a theory on acids. Okay, underline the word Arrhenius. According to him, an acid is a substance which furnishes H plus ion. Okay, acid means H plus. Okay, or H3O plus ions in aqueous solution. When dissolved in aqueous means water like that. Okay, water solution, water. It releases the H plus ion or H3O plus ion. Okay, who said this? Arrhenius. Okay, he is a Swedish chemist. Okay, thus are defined as the chemical substances which release hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. This is 2 mark question, so mark it ma. 2 mark question. Define acid, 4th Roman, first question. Define acids. Again repeat, acids are defined as the chemical substances which release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Okay, acids are defined as the chemical substance which release hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. Next, acids can be classified into organic and inorganic acids depending on the sources. Okay, you know already organic and inorganic. Organic is a natural forming, inorganic means artificial. Okay, depending on the sources. Some acids occur naturally in fruits and vegetables. These are called organic acids. Okay, this is very important. Nowadays all the competitive exams asking this question. So study thoroughly and understand. Okay, first name of the acid, what is the source? Citric acid. The citric acid get from the lemon. Okay, citric acid get from the lemon. The lactic acid, sour milk. Okay, milk, the milk is a lactic acid. The sources having some acids, that acid name is lemon citric acid. Lactic milk, lactic acid is get from milk. Then tomato is the oxalic acid. Tomato oxalic acid. Vinegar acetic acid. Vinegar acetic acid. Apple malic acid. Apple malic acid. Tamarind tartaric acid. Tamarind tartaric acid. Okay, this is very important, yes. Okay, this is very important. Okay, what is the source of citric acid? Yes, that is, the answer is lemon. Okay, what acid present in an apple? Yes, that is a malic acid. Okay, then what acid present in tomato? Oxalic acid. Again I am repeat, name of the acid citric acid, the source is lemon. Lactic acid, sour milk. Oxalic acid, tomato. Acetic acid, vinegar. Malic acid, apple. Tartaric acid, tamarind. Okay, here giving this picture. Okay, source of acids, the vinegar is the acetic acid, lemon citric acid, tomato oxalic acid, apple malic acid, and the extra giving formic acid. Okay, the ant is a formic acid. Formic acid. That's why the ant go in a line. Okay, we are thinking that nature, this is not a correct. The ant produce a formic acid, so they follow the another ant. ஓகேவா, அந்த ஸ்மெல்லை வச்சு தான் என்ன பண்ணுது, ஆண்ட் வந்து ஒன்று பின்னால் ஒன்று லைன் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி போய்கிட்டு இருக்கும். அது லைனில் போயிட்டே தான் இருக்கும். அது எப்படின்னா அந்த ஃபார்மிக் ஆசிட் வந்து அதை ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டே போகும்போது அந்த ஆசிட் ஸ்மெல் வச்சு ஆண்ட் வந்து என்ன பண்ணும்னா லைனில் போயிட்டே இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, தட் இஸ் ரீசன். ஆண்ட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் த ஃபார்மிக் ஆசிட். த மில்க் ப்ராடக்ட் இஸ் த லாக்டிக் ஆசிட். Grapes is the tartaric acids. Okay, this is very important, yes. Next, on the other hand, acid are produced artificially in industries. Already we told the acids, two types of acid, that is organic and inorganic. Organic is get from the nature, that is vegetables or fruits, but inorganic acids get from artificially for industries, that lot of things. Okay, these acids are called mineral acids or inorganic acids. Underline the word mineral acids or inorganic acids. What is another name of inorganic acids? Yes, that is the mineral acids. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Already you studied the formula. What is the formula of nitric acid? HNO3. Okay, what is the formula of sulfuric acid? H2SO4. Dears, have to write the formula this like H2SO4. This like only. Don't write this like. Don't like this like. Okay, this is a wrong. This is correct way. Okay. There are many more classification of acids. You will study about them in your higher classes. Let us leave it. Okay, now you study the artificial acids is 3. What is this? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Okay, you study the 3 formulas. Okay. Properties of acids. Physical properties and chemical properties. The physical properties are the nature, that is a physical property. Okay, the first property is acids are sour in taste. Okay, this is very important, sour taste. The second one is they are corrosive in nature. Corrosive means அரிப்புத்தன்மைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகேவா, மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த ஆசிட்ஸ் வந்து என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா அதனுடைய வாழை வந்து அரிச்சிரும். ஓகேவா, கரோசிவ். Underline the word corrosive in nature. Strong acids can spoil the substance like human skin, clothes and paper. For example, the acid நம்ம பேல பட்டா என்னவாகும், நம்மளுடைய ஸ்கின் வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்பாயில் ஆயிடும். ஓகேவா, அதுதான் அப்போ கரோசிவ் ஆகும். தேர்ட் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் generally acids exist in a liquid state, but few acids exist in a solid state as well as the only one acid only the solid state, but all the one is liquid state. Which one is a solid state is benzoic acid. Underline the word benzoic acids. Okay, except only one. Okay, acids are colorless. Acids are colorless. Acids change the color of the indicators. Blue litmus paper turn red and methyl orange turns pink when treated with acids. This is very important. This also important questions. Okay, the acids only blue litmus change into red litmus. Okay, blue litmus change into red when acid only. Then again methyl orange turns pink. Methyl orange turns into pink. Okay, you remember blue litmus change into red litmus, methyl orange turn into pink when treated with acid. acid வந்து நம்ம ட்ரீட் பண்ணும்பொழுது ப்ளூ கலர் லிட்மஸ் பேப்பர் வந்து ரெட் கலராக சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். தென் மெத்தில் ஆரஞ்ச் லிட்மஸ் பேப்பர் சேஞ்ச் இன்டு த பிங்க் கலர். Okay, they are soluble in water. Then solution of acid conduct electricity due to the ionization in water. Solution of acids conduct the electricity. The acid conduct electricity because it react with water, dissolve in water. It is a H plus ion. Okay, H plus ion. So the H plus ion conduct the electricity. Okay, the main properties is it is a sour taste, it is a corrosive in nature, acids exist in a liquid state except only one thing, that is a benzoic acid. Then acids are colorless. Then the acid change the color of the indicator. Indicator means it is add some things, that is the indicator. Next topic we will learn what is the meaning of indicator. Then the blue litmus paper change into red litmus paper. Then methyl orange paper change into pink color. Use of acids. Okay. Then last point, they are soluble in water. That solution conduct the electricity, okay, because of ionization in water. This is the properties, physical properties of acids. Okay. Next, do you know we feel hungry due to the corrosive action of hydrochloric acid on the inner lining of the stomach. When the level of hydrochloric acid goes higher, it causes ulcer. Nowadays, lot of students having the ulcer. You don't know the ulcer. What is the ulcer? Nothing but your stomach having hydrochloric acid. Okay, that hydrochloric acid produces in our stomach. Okay, that if you not eat means the acid corrosive in our stomach. ஓகேவா, உங்களோட ஸ்டொமக் என்ன பண்ணிடும், அப்படியே அரிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். அப்போ நமக்கு என்ன ஆகும், அல்சர், புண்ணு வர ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். தட் இஸ் அல்சர். ஓகேவா, உனக்கு தேவையான ஃபுட்டு வந்து அந்த ஸ்டொமக்கில் போகலை அப்படின்னா ஹைட்ரோக்ளோரிக் ஆசிட் ஃபார்ம் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். அப்போ அங்கே ஆசிட் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். அப்போ என்ன பண்ணுது, உன்னுடைய ஸ்டொமக்கை வந்து ரொம்ப ஸ்பாயில் ஆக்குது. தட் இஸ் அல்சர். ஓகேவா, அதனால தான் நம்ம டைமிங்க்கு சாப்பிடணும். அப்போ நம்ம டைமிங்க்கு சாப்பிடலை அப்படின்னா அந்த ஹைட்ரோக்ளோரிக் ஆசிட் வந்து என்னமாகிட்டே இருக்கும், ஃபார்ம் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும் பொழுது நம்மளுடைய ஸ்டொமக்கை ஸ்பாயில் பண்ணும். தட் இஸ் ரீசன். அப்போ நமக்கு அல்சர் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். ஓகே, ஸோ இன் அவர் ஸ்டொமக் ப்ரொடியூஸ் த hydrochloric acid. What acid produced in the stomach? Yes, that is hydrochloric acid. Okay.